Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating essentials. Your device must have a stable connection, so check Wi-Fi or mobile signal and speed. Next, force quit Capcut and restart it. This clears transient glitches. Once done, disable any VPN or proxy because they often block Capcut servers. Alternatively, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data to compare. Make sure app permissions for network are enabled. These first actions remove the most common obstacles and get you into deeper troubleshooting if needed. Now you move into deeper fixes. Clear Capcut's cache and app data to remove corrupt files, then sign back and so settings refresh. If that doesn't help, update Capcut from the store. An outdated client often fails to reach servers. If update errors persist, uninstall and reinstall the app. For stubborn network quirks, reset network settings or flip airplane mode on for 30 seconds to force reauthentication. These steps address client, server handshake, and local networking issues. Finish by testing a network-dependent action, export to cloud or sync a project and watch for progress indicators. If problems persist, change your router DNS to 8 or 1 because DNS resolution can block app endpoints. Reboot router if DNS change is slow. Finally, collect logs and note your device model before contacting Capcut support. This speeds diagnosis. If nothing works, try the one-key trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.